good, but should be fine. Since we mounted the new tires, I haven't driven on the freeway with them, so right now we're gonna go ahead and hop on the freeway. End up to spare just in case, but yeah, hopefully everything's okay. We're straight, we're straight.
We'll find out. So I had asked Violet how many animals she has because I had forgotten, and she had told me she has 2 cats, 3 dogs, 1 pig, 1 hedgehog, and 2 ducks.
Nice.
So I'm excited. I said she doesn't have chickens though.
That's right. Alright, first time on the freeway with the new tires. Car really only gets moved for street sweepers, so like also like get to stretch its legs. Is it a bad drive?
No, I think it's fun.
That's sick.
You know, I didn't have a seatbelt the whole time, but
hey. Yeah?
Drive.
Okay.
And then it starts closing. No.
How far down do we go? Oh fuck, we're going up there.
Bro, what is my shoe? Here is the car in all of its glory. Also, I'm not sure where her house is. Maybe it was that one that was over there. Are you my Uber?
Hey, let's go. Alright, we're going downhill now.
Oh shoot. Oh, it's right here, it fell.
You got it? Okay. Alright, well this is where the recording stops. Goodbye. Alright, so we dropped off Aubz. We're gonna go ahead and make our way to an area where we can make a U-turn. Fuck, I'm going higher up. Oh yeah, we turned around. Got it. Saw some horses. Oh shit. Now to make it back through this. God damn it, the gate's right there. Fuck. Sorry, Mizuguchi. Okay. Woo! Woo! We'll do a quick fluid check. Floor fluid check. Shit. Alright. So I need gas, but I'm gonna try and get down the hill because speed bumps in here, so. Oh fuck, oh fuck. Oh, we got another bar of gas, we're good. Fuel light's still on, we're going downhill. I made it to a gas station, thank God. Hey, what's up, brother?
What is this?
It's a Toyota Mark II. This is actually
Toyota Mark II.
Mark II plays a Toyota Cressida for the US version here.
Yeah.
And this would be like a 1984 Cressida. But again, this is a Mark II.
Some mods.
So gonna go ahead and make our trip home, but we made it to the gas station. Hell yeah. That was crazy. Guy here asked me about the car. I told him about the Kaido racers and gave him the whole little spiel. And then he's like, all right, let me tell you about my Japanese trivia. So I'll get to tell all of you. He said, do you remember the movie Toy Story? And I believe it was Toy Story 2, right? Where the Japanese guys and they're and he's on the phone and he goes, don't touch my mustache. When he says, don't touch my mustache, I didn't realize he's saying, do itashimashite. Don't touch my mustache. That's hilarious. But yeah, and then he left with that. And then he was just like, all right, you'll remember that forever. So, thank you, Ghost Man. But all right, signing out. Probably record some more, but thanks for joining. Oh, it's hot as fuck.